Emma woke up to the bright morning light streaming through her window. Today was Saturday and she did not have to go to school. She felt excited because she planned to visit the park. It was a special park with many things to see. After breakfast, Emma put on her sneakers and yellow jacket. She walked to the park, which was only a few blocks away from her home. As she entered the park, she saw the tall green trees waving gently in the wind. The air was fresh, and Emma took a deep breath. Emma loved the big playground in the park. First, she went to the swings. She pumped her legs back and forth, swinging higher and higher. It felt like flying. She laughed, feeling happy and free. After swinging, Emma noticed the small pond nearby. She walked over and saw the ducks swimming. Some ducks were brown, and some had bright green heads. Emma sat on a bench and watched them. A friendly duck waddled close, and Emma wished she had some bread to feed it. Next, Emma decided to visit the flower garden. The flowers were colorful, red, yellow, blue, and purple. She saw a butterfly fluttering around the flowers. Emma followed it and watched as it landed gently on a bright orange flower. Emma's tummy began to rumble, so she found a nice spot on the grass to sit down and enjoy her snack. She opened her small backpack and took out an apple and a sandwich. While eating, she listened to the birds singing in the trees. A little later, Emma saw her friend Jack playing with a ball. Jack waved and ran over to her. "Hi, Emma. Want to play catch?" he asked. Emma nodded and quickly finished her snack. They spent the next hour playing catch, laughing, and enjoying the sunny day. As the sun started to set, the sky turned a beautiful shade of pink and orange. Emma felt tired but very happy. She and Jack sat on the grass and watched the sun slowly disappear behind the trees. Finally, Emma knew it was time to go home. She said goodbye to Jack and began walking back. As she left the park, she turned around for one last look. It had been a perfect day at the park. Emma reached home just as her mom was setting the table for dinner. She told her mom all about her fun day at the park. Her mom smiled and said, "I'm glad you enjoyed your day, Emma." Emma felt sleepy after the long day. She got ready for bed, thinking about the ducks, the flowers, and the games she played. As she closed her eyes, she whispered, "I can't wait to go back to the park next weekend." With a smile on her face, she drifted into a peaceful sleep.